This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the oil pressure sensor on a 1985 Kubota L2550. So I had the side off this tractor when I was going to replace the battery, and I noticed that there was oil that was just dripping out of here as the tractor was running. Initially I thought the leak was against the block and I thought I had a thread issue, but after I put some sealant on the threads and put it back together, I could see that the oil was actually coming right out of the end of that sensor. So today I'm going to replace that sensor. For location, I'm on the left-hand side of the tractor as you're looking forward, right above the starter. So all we have to do is remove this fitting from that spade terminal. There's no room for me to reach that sensor with a deep well socket if I hadn't taken off this panel. So I just removed these 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. There was a little tack weld right here between this foot piece and this panel. I just wiggled that back and forth and broke that tack weld. With the panel removed, I can get in there to that plug. This is what the old sensor looks like. And the old one took a 27 to remove, and the new one, made in China, takes a 24 millimeter. This is the replacement part that was just delivered from Amazon. I ordered it 2 days ago for 10 bucks. I'm using this Harvey Seal Formula 55. Historically, this has worked great for me. I apply the stuff liberally without going too crazy. I just want to make sure that that orifice isn't plugged with any of this Harvey Seal. Based on my online findings, that thing has a British pipe thread, so I started it by hand. I never want to risk cross-threading. Now I'll take that 24 millimeter socket and tighten it up. This is a 40-year-old OEM piece. When I was ratcheting this in, I got tension on it before the body here was up against the block. On the replacement from Amazon, that sensor pulled down till basically it was right flush with the block. So we'll turn this thing on and see if it leaks. With the old sensor, after the tractor was on for 20 seconds or so, the thing was continuously dripping. And that's not the case with this new Amazon sensor. So we're going to call this replacement a success. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And I hope you have a great night.